In this video, you will learn how to use our advanced configuration tool to configure our CANnector and FRC series of flexible gateways. Let's get started. Hello everyone, my name is Tobi and today I will show you how to create a simple logging configuration for our gateway product families, CANnector and FRC. We will create a configuration with our advanced configuration tool, the ACT, where you are logging CAN and CANFD data using the CANnector S device. So the first question you might ask yourself is, what is a gateway, how does it work and what do we need logging for? Our CANnector and FRC are gateways that can be used in various applications, including automotive and industrial settings. The purpose of a gateway is to collect and transfer data from one network to another, allowing for seamless communication and interoperability between different devices. However, our CANnector and FRC are more than just simple data transfer tools. They can also be used for logging data, which is an important feature for many applications. With the ability to log data, a gateway can store important information for future analysis and processing. In addition to collecting and logging data, a gateway can also be used for data processing and analysis. By collecting data from different sources, a gateway can provide valuable insights into various aspects of an application or system, allowing for better decision-making and improved performance. It can also be used to streamline communication between different devices, store important data for future analysis and provide valuable insights into system performance and behavior. In our example today, we will be configuring our CANnector as a logging device, so let's get right into it. We've already talked in depth about CAN and CANFD in earlier videos. Now I want to show you how easy it can be to log information from CAN networks using our products. You will also learn a little bit more on how to use the advanced configuration tool. The ACT is a user-friendly Windows software that allows you to create configurations for CANnector and FRC EP devices, as well as offering features such as logger, gateway, user code, visualization, MATLAB and EtherCAT, RBS and signal manipulation. It also enables the implementation of CAN, CANFD gateways and data visualization functions on the HTML5 capable devices. Its versatility and compatibility with all hardware devices make it an essential tool for automotive testing and simulation, while its drag and drop functionality and USB licensed dongle provide ease of use. So let's get right into it. First, let's navigate on our PC to the advanced configuration tool and start it up. Here we go. Now let's choose the new project wizard from the toolbar. We want to create a logging device, so we select logger without bus description from the project template section. Now click next at the bottom and then select the Ixxat CANnector S from the target platform pane. Press next again to see that the wizard has automatically added 4 standard CAN 2.0 channels, a logger and a trigger to the configuration. Select CAN 1 and press the wrench symbol to edit the communication settings for that CAN 2.0 channel. Here you can edit communication parameters such as bitrate, frame format and various other communication settings. For this example, we want to stay with the 500 kbps preset for the bitrate and standard for the frame format. Press OK to close the dialog. Now do the same for the other 3 CAN channels. Now press the plus symbol to add another CAN channel. You can ignore this dialog in the example by just pressing OK. We want to keep it simple and easy today. Now we will adjust the setting on the CANFD part of the network in this dialog. Again, we will stay with the standard frame format and keep the bitrate at 500 kbps. But now, as we want to use CANFD, we click on the flexible data rate checkbox to allow us to set the fast bitrate timing. We will use the 2000 kbps setting that is pre-selected for this example. Now add another CANFD channel to the configuration and repeat the settings. Then press OK to close the setting dialog and press Next to go to the final step of the wizard. Name the project as My First Simple Logger and press Finish to close the wizard. That's half of the work completed. I told you, it was easy. In our example, we want to log every message from the CAN networks to a USB memory stick. So to do this, let me first tell you a little bit more about the ACT tool and how to use it. You should see the window divided into 3 panes. The first pane is the source pane, where you get all information on the structure of the incoming data. You can select the bus you want to examine by clicking on the different tabs to view their configuration. At this point, we have not imported any communication information, so there still is a blank setting. We will deal with this in one of our next videos. The second pane will give you information about specific data structures when imported. Also left blank for this video. In the third pane, the mapping pane, you will see how the data is mapped from source to destination. Now I will show you how simple it can be to log all the data that is available on the connected CAN networks. We click on CAN1 in the source pane to select CAN1 as source of the logging. Then we select Logger1 in the destination pane. Now we want to log every message coming in from CAN1. Here we simply drag the CAN1 tab from the source pane to the To Destination pane. The little asterisk shows that every message should be transmitted. We call this a wildcard mapping. We repeat the same for all the other CAN channels in the source pane. Now we select Logger1 on the source pane and click the wrench symbol. In the dialog box that opens, we select USB as target and change the file format to BLF. This is all we need to do here. So let's close this dialog by pressing OK and build the configuration. In summary, we have shown you how to log data from your CAN networks in a very efficient and failure-proof way. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. Please check out our other videos for more information about our other products. And if you liked the video, please leave a like and leave your comment if you want. See you next time. Bye bye.